Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put double lines dotted arrow in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Choose the shape drop down menu and select the line arrow shape. Then draw the line arrow. You can draw this horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press shift and hold the shift on our keyboard. Select the line shape and go to the format menu. Then enable the format shape option. Go to the fill and line option. Enable the line. Select the solid line option. Choose the color. You can change any color. Now I am increase the white. Now we want to make the double line dotted arrow. Select this compound type option, make double. Select the dash type and choose the dot. You can select round or square. Now I select round dot. Close the panel. Now we can see we put double lines dotted arrow in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.